Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani, Your Money's Mine green, and Pueen Celebration Collection Firework Festival plate. Gorgeous plate. I'm starting this manicure off with Nailtique's Formula 2, and this is Your Money's Mine green by Moonshine Mani. It's a Friends reference, and you know I had to have it just for that very reason, but on top of that, it's very, very pretty. This is like a, I don't know, kind of like a aqua turquoisey, jady green kind of jelly full of serious flakies and shimmer. Oh, yes. So I am going to do 2 coats of this today. Get it to, you know, build up nicely, and if depending on your coats, you might need 3, but as you can see, 2 is working really well for me today. Capping my free edge. And I do that sometimes twice when I'm doing it with jellies or jelly-ish polishes. I am topping this one with the INMs out the door. We're going to cover this up and let it dry down so that we can do some stamping. And I'm going to stamp them all today. Having that free edge there. Camera getting all blurry. I apologize. Isn't that pretty? Pueen Celebration Collection Fireworks Festival. And my monocle stamper and Pueen scraper. This is Maniology's Heart of Gold stamping polish. I will be using it today, and I don't know that it was the right choice, but I was trying to mix things up and not just go silver or white or black or whatever. So, you know, I'm just, y'all getting what you get out of me. I'm sorry. It's what I'm feeling, what I'm doing, and I'm sharing. Okay, now I had to go back and redo this one because of this. It's not sticking well. That polish is super duper dry. So I'm taking a piece of tape and removing what did stamp and stick. I'm just getting real lucky and it's coming off. And I'm going to use Get a Grip by Vibrant Vinyls, a super thin layer on the rest of the nails because I'm tired of this, having this problem. So I just went ahead and used something that was sticky. You don't have to necessarily have to have Get a Grip, but anything that will stay a little tacky for you, like maybe Orly Bonder or something like that. And there we go. We're going to clean that plate off with pure acetone, and the stamper is getting cleaned off on a lint roller, as usual. But I saw this image and I was really drawn to it. I think it would look way better if my nails were longer, but we got what we got today, and we're just making do. The shorter nails seem to be my new length. I can't seem to get them to grow out really long anymore, so we're just making do. They might grow out eventually, I don't know. Been a little hard on them here lately. So we got them all stamped up. I am going to use a piece of tape to clean up some of this excess off of my skin. It's coming up really well. But I am going to pop in here with my cleanup brush and some acetone and just go around it real quick and get some of this little bitty bits up. Turned out really good though. I am going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. It kind of looks a little bit like butterfly wings. And then once that's dry, I'm covering it all with Posh top coat today. And that's going to seal it in and give me some long-lasting wear with it. If I just used just the Maniology smudge-free top coat, it wouldn't have stayed on my nails but maybe a day. At least the stamping part of it. It'll come right up, I promise you. There we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? Had to get Woody out here to help with the cleanup. Good job. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.